the morning, you felt so safe back then. Be honest, you live in your own circle.
Hi guys, so I'm going to be doing a meal prep, what I eat after in a diet, and I do it in batches, so I will be showing you how I cook it. It's all going to be healthy stuff but very nutritious and delicious as well, so you can also have a go if you do want to try making this at home. It's very quick and easy, nothing too complicated. Right, come along and let me show you. So I've got cherry tomato, an onion, some peppers, some dried tomato seasoning, then I got pepper, then a bit of oil there, and I've got my sea bass as well, so I've got 2 sea basses as well.
In the morning, you felt so safe back then. Be honest, you live in your own
Right guys, so I'm gonna be cooking some bulgur wheat because it's got high source of protein and fiber, as you can see on there. So that's the bulgur wheat there, and mixed with some quinoa, which is also high source of protein, but that hasn't got enough fiber in it. So this is supposed to be much healthier. Both of them are healthier anyway, but this is the number one. So yeah, I will be cooking that as well as part of the meal prep to eat with the baked vegetables and the sea bass. So I will show you how to cook that as well. So I'm just gonna pour some in there. So that's what the quinoa looks like. So that is what the quinoa looks like. So we've got white one, we've also got black one as well. It doesn't matter which one you get in a way, it's both the same. But yeah, it's grainy like. Looks like millet, if you know what millet is. So that's what it looks like. So I am going to be mixing in the bulgur wheat, which is, so you can see that looks, that's what that looks like. So it's just some wheat. That's what the bulgur wheat looks like. So I'm adding a bit of that. So I'm just gonna mix it. Just use the whole of the quinoa. I'll show you that. This is what the vegetables look like. I'm just going to give it a quick stir. It is bubbling, and that's very good. So very soon I'm going to be putting in the sea bass soup when the sauce reduces slightly, not too much, slightly. Right, so that's what it looks like. Right, so this is another version but with couscous. So it's just like what I've done, and some sun-dried tomatoes, but this time the fish is tuna, so you can see that that's tuna there. And it's really nice. So that's what I'm going to be having my lunch. And I've run out, that's the last batch, that's why I'm making something different as well. So yeah, I will show you what the other one looks like once it's done. So now it's ready to just add some sun-dried tomatoes and the sea bass. sun-dried tomatoes there.
In the morning, you felt so safe back then. Be honest, you live in your own circle.
Ingat tu, saya nama bukan itu, but ingat dia quiet kerana aku ni juga nak kau beli.